In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to unblock someone on Facebook. So let's meet. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook topics. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to unblock someone on Facebook. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to click on this three slider at the top right here. Then you have to scroll down and make sure you click on Setting and Privacy. Then it take you here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on Settings. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on Profile Settings. Then you have to navigate to Blocking. So you have the list of everyone you have blocked so far on your Facebook account. So to unblock any one of them, what you need to do is to simply click on Unblock. So I'm going to click on here. Then simply click on Unblock. So it's as simple as that. So this is how to unblock someone on Facebook. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks about Facebook topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.